Game over, man. Game over. It's time to short. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DAVITAR Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5 here in Dubai. Just at a different location, not at my house today. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to short Bitcoin and Ethereum because yeah, it is definitely a short. There's lots of evidence that this is the short to jump on and hold on to all the way down to at the very least the 35K or something like that. But we can show you where we can see some targets for Bitcoin in the coming futures, because yeah, we already talked about the Kramer indicator. Now we're going to look some TA and so forth. But a simple place to go, just open up an account at bybit.davincij15.com or 2bit.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below. Okay, so I'm going to look over here so I can switch screens. Bitcoin and Obituary decline in death call signals in 2023. So if we scroll down here, and it says in 2021 there's a total of 47 and called death calls, and in 2022 27. Wow. Okay. In the obituary list, a mere 8 were noted in 2023. Wow. Wow. So Bitcoin is not dying anymore. Yeah, this year is probably going to be some death calls, right? For sure, as Bitcoin rolls over, thanks to Jim Cramer. It is the technical analysis. As I said yesterday, I told you, if you were watching yesterday, and most of you weren't, most of you did not watch yesterday's show, and you missed out some important information. What did I say to short? Yes, that's right. In this area, that's the 44,800-ish area, and boom. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Exactly as predicted. But you didn't listen, did you? You didn't come into the show. Right? And so here's what I want you to do. I want you to hit the subscribe and go to that bell icon and say notify. So the YouTube algorithm lets you know when I have a show that's important that you need to know, so you can position yourself, right, at the best possible position. I said, this is the best position here for short. And look at that. Boom. Boom. Right? So what's the next position? Well, yeah, Bitcoin, it dumped back down here and it came back up. So we can see that we're above a specific support here. This support, if it holds, we could see it come back up and retest the $44,000 mark area and then dump. But what you can do, you start shorting a little bit sooner, because we've already retested back up at the 44K level. Wouldn't be surprised if it comes back again here, but if you want to wait for that, right, your stop loss should be at the top of that level, and then you're taking this thing all the way to Holloway, like a 3-to-1. That still keeps you in the range, but yeah, that's all the way down to the 41K. Quickly looking at the Ethereum. Well, Ethereum again, I did say it was going to come back up into this area, but I wasn't too sure, because it looked like, okay, this whole dump completed the target. So I'm a little concerned about that. So might want to wait for this thing to give you more information before you jump in on the short and accept the losses if they do. But yeah, you're talking about, I mean, you'd have to wait at this point. If you were to short this, your stop losses have to be way up here, and that's too far for most people. And besides, the target is at $2,000, so you can't really do that. So I can't really give any recommendations right now on Ethereum. So I'm going to have to wait for that. Okay. All right, I hope you enjoyed this short episode. I wanted to make this thing short, so I did, and here it is. And I'm going to be doing a video with Maurizio out tomorrow. So yeah, look forward to that, and on the weekend, and possibly even an additional show on Sunday. So I don't know. Can't guarantee you that. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Cheers.